Welcome to Hot Cocoa Treats and Sweets. This is hosted by myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-host are Barbie Daily Rule Life, Jennifer at Home, and Table Talk with Robin. There happens to be 2 birthdays, myself, Sandy Lynn, and Jennifer at Home. Here is the recipe for the thumbprint cookies that I'll be baking today. It's very easy and they're very good. Now, I've already prepared the cookies. These is what they look like with jam or jelly in the center. They're a very popular cookie here at my home. So I just roll them into balls and I place them on a cookie sheet about 2 inches apart. Now, to make the impression, you can use the back of a measuring spoon like I've done here. Or, of course, you can use your thumb. Or you can do what I've done here. I've actually used both my thumb and the back of a measuring spoon. Both work just fine. I'm using Smucker's Natural Strawberry Jam, but like I said, you can use any jelly or jam of your choice. So I just add a little dollop to the center of each cookie. I was given this recipe by my mother-in-law. My husband grew up eating these cookies and he loves them. And they've become a favorite of the family. Now, I've already prepared a baking tray of a dozen of these already, and I just had enough to do about half. So the other half are sugar cookies by Pillsbury. So all I had to do was break them apart and add them to the cookie sheet. So now they're going to go into the oven at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, I've prepared my table with the sweets and treats here in this dough bowl. And here are the thumbprint cookies, some sugar cookies, a couple of cupcakes for my birthday, and those wafer cookies. And then I have my tier tray here with some Valentine decorations, some pink candles, a Valentine's Day placemat with a faux cupcake on top. Those were from Amazon. And then I have this little heart shape with a tassel, a little heart-shaped doily on a glass plate. And there's a close-up of the heart-shaped placemat. So I thought this looked very cute for anybody, a child or adult. And then the napkins, I just took a pink rope and tied it around the napkin. And then I have these pink goblets that are from Amazon. I just recently ordered those. I think they're so pretty. I have a couple of gnomes for Valentine's Day. And here's the other cupcake, again with the little heart-shaped tassel and the Be Mine placemat. So I thought this made for a very cute and inviting hot cocoa and sweets and treats. Now the wafers, I thought I'd show you what they were exactly. Here's the cover for them. And those are very good too. They go good with any hot drink. Okay, here is the hot cocoa and drink station, and I have these pretty little hearts around the tree, a stack of plates, more of the napkins in a cup. And here is my K-cup carousel with cappuccino, and then my Swiss Miss hot cocoa envelopes with chocolate spoons. And here's my Keurig with a little gnome on top. And I also have tea. This is Taylor's tea, and it's an assortment. These were ordered from Amazon. Very good tea. I don't drink coffee, but I do love my tea and hot cocoa and cappuccino. So I thought that made for a very good hot drink station. And back to the table. It's all ready for the treats and sweets for my birthday. I hope you all will come along and join me. Be sure to check out the playlist and wish Jennifer a happy birthday as well. Here I have lit the candles, and be sure to try out the recipe for the thumbprint cookies. They are so good. And if you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to do so. Be sure to leave everyone a comment and a like. Thanks again for watching and making my birthday feel very special. Love you all. Bye-bye for now.